Oh, what's up, friends? Friend Facebook, YouTube, and everybody out there in TV land, YouTube land, Facebook land. Okay, so Domino 7 is here, and you know what? This is this is no ordinary Mardi Gras day. Okay, everything fenced off around here. Normally, it usually be crowded around here. You know. Yep. It it normally be crowded around here on Mardi Gras Day, you know. Today is Mardi Gras Day. It normally be crowded out here, you know. Y'all see the fence and stuff out here? Yep. Okay. Now I'm on Claiborne, ladies and gentlemen. Just in case you people not familiar with New Orleans, okay? All right, so normally it will be crowded out here, you know. Yesterday it was freezing, you know. So Sunday was the 14th, 15th. Yep, today is February the 16th, 2021, Mardi Gras Day. Tomorrow's Ash Wednesday. Again, ladies and gentlemen, it's not crowded out here, y'all. Due to COVID-19, you know. I just got off the bus, you know. So it usually be crowded around here, y'all. So they usually have the parade on that side of the street, you know. So I'm showing y'all around and stuff like that on this no ordinary Mardi Gras day. Okay, so today it is no ordinary Mardi Gras. The sun is shining, you know. All right, so here I go. As we walk around, looking around and stuff like that. Okay, it normally be packed around here, but due to COVID-19, it is empty out here. They'll normally have people on a neutral ground around here. People will be walking in the street too, you know. And then around this time, the Zulu parade would have came to a complete close, you know. It would have came to a complete close around this time, you know. So as y'all looking around and stuff like that, people probably would have been on their balconies trying to catch bees and stuff. You know, before Katrina, the parade used to pass on this side right here, but for now on, it pass on the other side, you know. So at first, the Zulu parade used to come from here and go down there, but shortly before, I think in 2000, it started coming from the other way and go down to there and turn on Galvez and stuff, you know. So all I'm doing is showing y'all around what if y'all familiar with the parades in the area, y'all will know. Okay, so it's kind of empty around here, you know, and for some of you that don't know, Bourbon Street is empty too. The French Quarters, the CBD, is kind of empty, you know. So people are not gonna practice social distancing due to this during times like this, you know. So look around here. But honestly, around here would have been fenced off instead of under the bridge, you know. So around here on this side would have been fenced off, you know. And people would have been walking right here, not just on the sidewalk. People would be walking in the street, and I think right here, somewhere right here, they would have a DJ right here, you know. So somebody barking, never mind that. So I remember a long time ago we went in that building right there. I know that was a ballroom right there. Y'all see that building right there? Huh. So, so anyway, as I'm walking down here, showing y'all that it is so empty. So today is no ordinary Mardi Gras day. You know? Yep. So look at the sun. Am I blinding y'all? Oh, I'm being too cruel, huh, y'all? I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So all down here would have been crowded. You see? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that's better. All around here would have been crowded, you know? So, what happened to that building during Hurricane Zeta? You know, the wall was missing. So, not anymore. All here would have been fenced off, you know? Yep. As I'm showing y'all down here, you know? Yep. Maybe I should come back out here and do my recording, you know? Huh. Yep. So as I'm showing y'all around, cause you know, one day we was right there by that tree for 2 years. There's a DJ right here. I don't know if y'all remember my friend Trelly. She made an appearance on my Mardi Gras episode. You know. Yep. All right. So the way I think about it, y'all. Well, what else to think about? Okay, what could have been around here, you know? Yep. And normally be crowded around here for Mardi Gras, but today due to COVID, as y'all already know, that it ain't crowded, it's empty, you know? The police. Police down there. I don't know what that's all about, so I better go the other way. Huh. Yep. So I wouldn't be walking down this street if the parade was going on, you know. Everywhere would have been fenced off, you know. So this is no damn. My glasses is fogging up because of this damn mask. Huh. So anyway, let's look around. All around. Okay. All right. Everywhere back here would have been fenced off. And I would have been sleeping like a baby. I'm blinding y'all, ain't y'all? Yep. So as I'm walking in this area and stuff like that, I don't know why I'm breathing all heavy and stuff. You know, I don't need no oxygen or whatnot. You know, so back here would kind of be empty, but never mind all that. And guess what? Cars would have been parked on the neutral grounds, and some people would have been having their barbecue grills out. You know, so. Yeah, the DJ by the hot dog stand and all that, you know. So, as I walk down here, all right, okay, it would have been all crowded, you know. So right here, this neutral ground right here, they would have cars parked right on this neutral ground here and this neutral ground right there, you know. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm blinding y'all. Yeah. Yep. I better start playing with y'all viewers like that, you know. Yep. Hey, you know, right here would have been fenced off. Right here would have been fenced off. I would have to go all the way around to get into my apartment, you know. So, right here is empty, and right here is empty. Yep, people would have been barbecuing around here, you know. But I don't know about on Lafitte property right there, you know. So all I know is right here, it would have been cars and barbecue grills right here, you know. So unfortunately, we're not gonna have it this year, you know. Maybe next year when this pandemic be over. So I want y'all to get on your hands and knees starting today. If you haven't prayed, get on your hands and knees right now and start praying to God that this pandemic will be over so we can stop wearing masks and everything, okay? So this pandemic is not going to last forever, okay? Trust me, y'all, this pandemic will not last forever. We had a pandemic years ago, so many years ago. We wasn't even born yet, okay? So I better stop this recording, this live, okay? So about to go inside and how y'all doing? All right, so I was just speaking though. So anyway, I'm about to go inside and everything, warm up, drink me some rich chocolate Ovaltine, I think. All right, bye.